So today, me and my friends are heading out to Basalt Campground, like middle of California. It's freaking hot. This is our first rest stop, um, and I'm kind of excited because it's my first time going camping with my friends here in California. So we'll see how it is up there.
All right. Look at me.
Oh damn! What a vlogger! True vlogger. Wow.
Dude, it's so weird. At first, I was like, did Evan come with someone? Why is he on the right side?
Yeah. Well, where do I mark? Right here.
Anywhere here.
Straight. Wait, is this supposed to be in the tent? What? Is this supposed to be in the tent? Yeah. Oh. That's the spot. You got to screw the spot.
I know. You have to sleep in your baby. It looks dope, dude.
Dude, now I feel like a celebrity, man, with your camera.
I know. This is cool. Hey, what is that?
The car wash, man. Dude, don't
Tell us about
I don't want to splash on your
Tell us
camera.
about your invention.
Okay.
It's for shower.
Yeah, it's for shower.
You
So
made
we
this.
Yeah, I made this. It's very nice. Beautiful. Evan's craftsmanship.
Making that morning coffee.
All right, so we were walking up this hill by the campsite, and we're gonna take some pictures and also fly my drone. So hopefully, it looks nice. This field looks amazing. We shot some video and pictures here yesterday during golden hour, and it looked amazing. So right now it's only about 10 a.m. The lighting still looks okay, so hopefully it looks good in the drone shot. We didn't want to cook every meal at the campsite, so we drove out to an In-N-Out that was about 10 minutes away.
Good. Can I get double? Yes, with grilled onions and then sliced chili.
Go. Thank you.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
This is your lunch. And it sure was worth it. We weren't sure if there was firewoods at the campground because we couldn't find a host the first night. So we ended up spending like an hour trying to find a place that sold firewoods outside of the campground. And we finally found a place, and we made sure we bought plenty. And after we came back to the campsite, we just relaxed and chilled and let the heat pass by.
What?
You want to see my view waking up in the morning? This is the ground. From ground, dude. Check this out, man.
Oh, is that where you went in the morning?
Yeah, I was just chilling there for like almost an hour.
This is our dinner. It's kimchi fried rice. This is like a little metal lunch box they used to use back in the day in Korea. This smoke is crazy.
Thanks, chef.
We'll let it sit on the fire for a little bit so it warms up, and then when we shake it, it's gonna be kimchi fried rice.
Yeah, now you're growing.
Oh, this is hot.
Round 2. We got pork belly. The Korean barbecue style at camping.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Thanks for cooking, man.
Morning. This is our last day at the campsite. Evan's just making coffee. We're gonna fly the drone and get some footages of Evan's cool hipster van. Alright, so hopefully those shots look pretty good. They look pretty good on my end, but I'll have to see once I get these shots in the computer. So we're at the reservoir right now near the campsite, and this looks amazing. Like, people are fishing. Yeah, there's like a lot of people fishing. I don't know if you can see, there's like cars by the lake or the reservoir. I think people fish here. I don't know what they would catch, but yeah, it's pretty chill, pretty sweet spot. Good driving, Evan. Good driving.
Good filming, dude.
Yeah, good driving. Yep, he got out no problem. That's why he had all-wheel drive 4x4s. Alright, so breakfast before we head out. That's a fancy breakfast, New York strip steak. I'm just gonna share one steak with some rice. And of course we got a cup of noodles. So since we don't have microwave, we've been just heating up the rice in the boiling water.
That seems to do the job. And we got the pan for the quick steak grilling. Alright, everything's cleaned off nicely. Just the way we found it. Yep. But to head out now. Alright, Evan. Have a safe drive. See you soon. Peace. That was fun. Hopefully we can do it again soon. Yeah. You visit LA, yeah. With your Hitmobile. Peace out, man. Alright. We're heading out. Starbucks before the road. Ben got his pretty pink drink. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.